10. We have draw a Lewis structure. We want the number of valence electrons, and we want the formal charge. So we have BH4 minus. So that's boron and 4 hydrogens. So funny enough, boron is on the 13th column, so that'll be 3 electrons. And hydrogen is on the first column, so that's going to be 1 electron each times 4. So that's 3 plus 4. And this nice negative means we add 1 more. So we're dealing with 8 electrons total. So let's just go ahead and draw this out. We have B, 2, 3, 8 electrons, 4. How does boron do something like this? This is a great question, because typically boron only has space for 3 hydrogens. So right here, in fact, I literally cannot make any changes. What I can do is say how many valence electrons and what is the formal charge of this. So with that being said, how many valence electrons does each one have? I kind of scribbled it up here. Boron contributes 3, hydrogen contributes 1 each. But what is a formal charge here? The formal charge for hydrogens, when it just has 1 bond, that means it's going to be a charge of 0. So all the hydrogens have a charge of 0. Boron, on the other hand, because it typically has 3 valence electrons, this would be a net charge of 0 here. But as you can see here, that's not what the boron is doing. The boron has 1 more extra bond. So when you add a bond, and this is a difference, when you're adding the bond, not replacing lone pair, but just adding another bond, that right there also sets your formal charge to a minus. You've now taken a step towards a negative. So this boron here is actually going to be a minus. This is where the formal charge, I guess the negative charge is for the boron tetrahydrogen, or however you call this. That is where the negative is going to be for this to be a negative ion. Okay, this would be how you draw that Lewis structure, and the formal charge for boron is -1 formal charge. Okay, so we have 3, 1, 1, so 8 in total, which is perfect. That's also what we have here, because we only have 4 bonds. That's 8 electrons. So then they drew the Lewis structure, bam, and there you have it. The boron is where the formal charge minus is. All the hydrogens are perfectly at peace. So the Lewis structure is just that. So now, with that being said, let's take a quick